All right, let's jump right into it. There's a huge deal on the new iPhone 16 over on Amazon India, and today we're going to break it all down. If you've been on the fence, waiting for that perfect moment to buy, you're definitely going to want to see this. So we all see that official retail price, and yeah, it's pretty steep, but that's not the number that really matters, is it? The number we care about is the effective price, what you actually end up paying after all the deals and discounts are stacked up. So the real question is, how low can it possibly go?
And here's the answer. 35,250 rupees. That is the potential final price for a brand new iPhone 16. I know, it sounds almost too good to be true. So the obvious next question is, how on earth is that even possible?
Getting to that price isn't as simple as just hitting Add to Cart. It's all about a combination of very specific offers that you have to layer together perfectly. Yeah, this isn't some straightforward discount that's available to everyone. To hit that magic number, $35,250, it really takes a specific combo of a trade-in, the right bank card, and Amazon's own offers. Getting every single one of those steps right is absolutely crucial.
All right, let's map out the exact path. How do you get from that high sticker price all the way down to this incredible deal? Let's walk through it.
Okay, this lays it out perfectly. So the first discount from Amazon is nice, it gets you started, but just look at step 3, the trade-in. That is the real game changer. It absolutely slashes the price, taking off more than 31,000 rupees. That final bank offer is kind of just the cherry on top that gets you to that final number.
So, we know the price is compelling, but what kind of phone are you actually getting for that money? Let's take a look at the hardware and software that's making this device tick. So you're getting that beautiful 6.1-inch OLED screen and top-tier water resistance, which is great, but honestly, the camera is the real star of the show here. A 48-megapixel sensor with 2x telephoto. And it supports spatial video, which is Apple's new format for those immersive 3D videos. For creators, this is a serious upgrade.
And powering the whole thing is the new A18 Bionic Chip. It gives you roughly a 30% performance boost over the A16. What that means in the real world is that your apps are going to launch faster, games will run smoother, and the whole phone just feels way more responsive.
And then there's the software. Apple Intelligence is this massive new feature, bringing all these powerful AI tools right into the operating system. But, and listen, this is a big but for buyers in India. Look at that note. These features are rolling out for US English first. That means you'll be buying the hardware now, but you might be waiting for some of its key software features to arrive.
Okay, so $35,250 is a fantastic price, no doubt. But the big question for any savvy shopper is this: is it the best price we've seen? A quick look back at the last few months shows a pretty volatile history.
You can see the price has been all over the map. While today's deal is really good, look back at June 6th. There was a limited time offer that dropped the effective price to an absolutely incredible 24,900 rupees. That proves that even lower prices are possible, even if they're pretty rare.
This bar chart really tells the whole story, doesn't it? That bar on the left representing the June deal, wow. Today's offer is very competitive for sure, but it's clearly not the rock-bottom price we've seen this year. It just shows how much timing really matters.
So, after looking at the price, the product, and the history, it's time for the final verdict. Should you pull the trigger on this deal?
The takeaway is pretty clear. While this is a very strong offer that makes the iPhone 16 way more accessible, we know for a fact that even better, though maybe rarer, deals have existed.
And that's the key thing to remember here. This isn't a price you can just get anytime you want. It's a fleeting opportunity that depends on perfect timing, stock levels, and having that specific combination of a trade-in and a bank offer. You know, all the stars have to align.
Which leaves you with a tough decision, doesn't it? Do you lock in a guaranteed great price right now, or do you hold out and gamble on that record-breaking deal that might never come back? It's a classic dilemma, and the choice is all yours.